On this particular door, it's been reported that the door closer arm has been hitting the top of the door recently, making it difficult to open and close. But by the amount of wear on the metal closer arm, it looks like this has been happening for years, potentially. That's right, it's clearly visible. It's been gouging out the top of the door for a while now. Now, I have removed the door closer from here, and the reason why the closer arm was doing this, because the top of the closer arm here has never been fastened to the door closer body here. This bolt here that goes in at the top has never been installed with the original closer for decades, maybe, potentially. This white dust of some kind, whatever that was all inside this hole where the bolt should be holding down the closer arm. So let's see if I can find the bolt and put it together this time, the first time, for this closer correctly. So all I need to do is find the bolt somewhere here. Should be around. I've seen it. Oh yes, I think, yeah, one of these. Hopefully that's the ticket. Oh, this one even comes with a thread lock compound. That's nice. Oh yeah, that's the ticket. Nice. There, I just need to tighten it up. Just putting the screws back, and the closer arm, of course, is looking 847,000% better as is. Let's see. Oh yeah, clears the top of the door by a vast margin, easily. There, problem solved. Shouldn't have been a problem a decade ago when this was installed wrong, but now it's top of the line.